Every single minute, over 1 million plastic bottles are bought around the world. But where do they all go? Some end up polluting our oceans. Others pile up in landfills. But thankfully, millions are given a second life as soft, durable polyester fiber. In today's video, we'll take you inside the journey of a plastic bottle as it transforms into fabric used in clothes, bedding, and even furniture. It all begins at a massive recycling facility. Here, trucks deliver mountains of used plastic bottles. Workers and machines spring into action, sorting them by type, color, and condition. Only bottles made from PET plastic, polyethylene terephthalate, rargas rubber are chosen for fiber production. The caps and labels are removed, and anything non-recyclable is filtered out. The goal? To ensure only clean, pure PET bottles move forward. Once sorted, the bottles head to the cutting line. Giant grinders shred the bottles into tiny plastic flakes. These flakes are washed in hot water and scrubbed thoroughly to remove any leftover soda, oils, or glue. What was once sticky trash is now clean, crisp PET flakes, ready to be reborn. Now these flakes are dried using industrial heaters, while small factories use sunlight to complete this task. After that, workers apply high heat to shrink the flakes further. After this entire process, workers use one more cleaning step in which a conveyor belt is used to transfer the flakes from one place to another section for the next process. Workers pour the dried flakes into massive vats, where they are melted at extremely high temperatures. Meanwhile, other workers prepare the spinnerets, special devices made with thousands of tiny holes. Once ready, the hot liquid plastic is pushed through these spinnerets. As it cools, the plastic transforms into thin, continuous filaments. It's a bit like spinning cotton candy, just on an industrial scale and much, much hotter. Now the fibers are stretched to align their molecules, making them stronger. This step also increases their durability and elasticity. Then comes crimping, where rollers add waves to the fiber, giving it a wool-like texture. These crimped fibers are cooled using water. Think of them like synthetic cotton, fluffy, soft, and ready to be spun. The processed fibers are then baled, compressed into large, dense blocks for easy handling and transport. These bales are shipped to spinning mills or textile manufacturers, where they're spun into yarn and eventually woven into fabric used for clothing, upholstery, and countless other products.